can dance, from Ardungus, who accompanied many art engagements and Ranga Praveshams, a talented actor with 3 very amazing short films to his credit, a singer and dancer too. Mother Mama, we are thrilled to have you here today. We are also honored to have Mr. DePong, principal of Lexington Elementary School, where we are today, whose support made today possible. Sir, please join us on stage. Next, we warmly welcome Lakshmi Reddy Ma'am, my mother's school sports teacher. Like in sports, dance too is a celebration of discipline, rhythm, and energy. Ma'am, it's an honor to have you here today. And finally, I'd like to invite my father, Praveen, to join us. Though he may not be on stage or in the spotlight, his love, patience, and support have been the foundation beneath this journey. My mother couldn't do anything she's doing without him by her side.
Namaste to all of you and welcome to Nritya Deepika. I'd like to first take a moment to thank you all for being here. It means a lot. Time is precious, so thank you for taking the time to be here and support all of us. I offer my heartfelt gratitude to my Guru, Sri Bhagavatala Sethuram Garu. I so wish he was here, but he's in Hyderabad. But I'm sure he's here in spirit. Everything I know, everything I carry forward is because of his blessings, his guidance, his generosity and devotion to the art. I'd like to start today's recital with his blessings and invoke the sacred presence of all our gurus with a prayer. And the dancers will demonstrate it. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri, Gurave Namaha.
Having received Devi's blessings through the traditional song and an official style, we will begin the evening's performances with some basics. First, we perform Namaskaram, a traditional salutation that holds deep significance in Indian classical dance. It's not just a gesture of respect to the stage, but a prayerful offering to the earth beneath us, the space around us, our audience, and the gurus. Through it, we ask for permission to dance, forgiveness for stamping our feet on the earth, and blessings for the performance ahead. It reminds us that dance is not just movement, it is a sacred act, and every step begins with humility and gratitude.
Dharnatta Jennu Tam, Dharnatta Jennu Tadhi, Dharnatta Jennu Tam, Dharnatta Jennu Tadhi, Dharnatta Jennu Tam, Dharnatta Jennu Tadhi Takadhinatam, Tadhi Takadhinatai, Tadhi Takadhinatam.
Next, they will demonstrate Adavalu. All the dancers will demonstrate Hastas, the hand gestures used in Kuchipudi to express different meanings and emotions. Suchischa Padmakosasya Tatha Sishaka.
मृगशीर्षपरोज्ञेयो हस्ताभिनययो त्रिभिः लाङ्गूलो अलपद्मस्य चतुरो भ्रमरस्तथा हंसास्यो हंसपक्षं च संदंसो मुकुलस्तथा पूर्णनाभः ताम्रचूडो चतुर्विंशादिनेत्रः.
Next, they will demonstrate Adavalu, commonly called as steps that form the core grammar of the dance and the bedrock of every dancer's journey. This is followed by Jatulu, dynamic sequences of rhythmic footwork that embody the power and precision of Nritta or pure dance. All students will perform with our guru, Smita Banda, guiding them live on Natuvangam, a rhythmic instrument central to Kuchipudi.
Taddi, Dannatta Jennu Tam, Dannatta Jennu Taddit Takadhinatam, Taddit Takadhinatai, Taddit Takadhina Taddi, Dannatta Jennu Tam, Dannatta Jennu Taddi, Tam, Taddi, Dannatta Jennu Tam, Dannatta Jennu Taddi, Dannatta Jennu Tam, Dannatta Jennu Taddit Takadhinatam, Taddit Takadhinatai, Taddit Takadhinatam, Tam, Tatte, Tatte, Hitta, Ta, Taihi, Taihi, Gat, 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 Takadhina Tam, Takadhina Tai, Takadhina Todimi, 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 Sahatta Jantaka, 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 Takadhina Tom, Takadhina Tai, Takadhina Tom, Tom, Kadha, Tom, Tom, Kadhi, 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 Takadhina Tam, Takadhina Tai, Takadhina Taddi, Dannatta Jennu Tam, Dannatta Jennu Tam, Dannatta Jennu, Dannatta Jennu Taddi, Dannatta Jennu, Dannatta Jennu Tam, Dannatta Jennu, Dannatta Jennu Taddi, Dannatta Jennu Tam, Dannatta Jennu, Dannatta Jennu Taddi, Dannatta Jennu, Dannatta Jennu Tam, Dannatta Jennu, Dannatta Jennu Taddi, Dannatta Jennu, Dannatta Jennu Taddi, Takadhina Tam, Taddi, Takadhina Tai, Taddi, Takadhina Tam, Taddi, Dannatta Jennu Tam, Dannatta Jennu, Taddi, Takadhina Tam, Taddi, Takadhina Tai, Taddi, Takadhina Tam, Talangu, Takadhimi, Takatadi, Dina Tom, Taddi, Hitta Tam, Tatte, Tatte, Hitta Ta, Taihi, Taihi, Gat, 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 ताम तत्ते तत्ते हित ता तैहि तैहि त ताम तत्ते तत्ते हित ता तैहि तैहि त ताम तत्ते तत्ते हित ता तैहि तैहि त तक भिन्न ताम तक भिन्न तै तक भिन्न तलांगु तक धिमि तक तदि भिन्न त ताम दिगि दिगि ताम तत्त हत्त तै किट तक ताम दिगि दिगि ताम तत्त हत्त तै किट तक ताम दिगि दिगि ताम तत्त हत्त तै किट तक ताम दिगि दिगि ताम तत्त हत्त तै किट तक ताम दिगि दिगि ताम दिगि दिगि ताम दिगि दिगि ताम तत्त दिगि दिगि तत्त दिगि दिगि तत्त दिगि दिगि तै ताम दिगि दिगि ताम दिगि दिगि ताम दिगि दिगि ताम तत्त दिगि दिगि तत्त दिगि दिगि तत्त दिगि दिगि तै ता किट किट तक जे किट किट तक ता किट किट तक जे किट किट तक तदिगिन तदिगिन तलांगु तक धिमि तक तदिगिन तो दिम्मि ता हत्त जन तक 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 तो दिम्मि तो तदिगिन तलांगु तक धिमि तक तदिगिन तोम कथा तोम कधी 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 तक भिन्न ताम तक भिन्न तै तक भिन्न तलांगु तक धिमि तक तदि भिन्न त.
That was a wonderful demonstration of a strong.
So Jatulu are essentially combination of the adavus or steps that they perform. Those adavus are, it's like words. Steps are alphabets and Jatulu are like words or even sentences. Alright. Taddi, dannatta jennu tam, dannatta jennu taddi, dannatta jennu tam, dannatta jennu taddi takadina tam, taddi takadina tai, taddi takadina talangu takadimi takadadi binatom talangu tom, takadadi binatom talangu tai, takadadi binatom talangu tom, talangu tai, taka diku takadadi binatom taka diku takadadi binatom taka diku jenu tadi binatom ta taddi dannatta jennu tam dannatta jennu taddi dannatta jennu tam dannatta jennu taddi takadina tam taddi takadina tai taddi takadina talangu takadimi takadadi binatom hitta dimita kita takatalangu takadimi takadadi binatom hitta dimita kita takatalangu takadimi takadadi binatom hitta dimita di hitta dimita di hitta dimita kita takadi ta tadi binatom hitta dimita kita takadi ta tadi binatom hitta dimita kita takadi ta tadi binatom taddi dannatta jennu tam dannatta jennu taddi dannatta jennu tam dhanatta jennu taddi takadina tam taddi takadina tai taddi takadina tam taddi talangu takadimi takadadi binatom dit takana takajan kari kita takaje kita takanam kari kita takadit takana jab kari kita takaje kita takanam kari kita takadit takana takajan kari kita takatalangu takadimi takadadi binatom gutakadimi takadadi binatom talangu takadimi takadadi binatom taddi dannatta dinda tam dannatta jennu taddi dannatta dinda tam dannatta jennu taddi takadina tam taddi takadina tai Taddi takadina talangu takadimi takatadivina tom tak tad dimi tad kita takataita kita takatadi tom tak tad dimi tad kita takatata kita takatadi tom tak tad dimi tad kita takatata dimi tad kita takataiya tom tatehika tom Tatehika tam tatehika tadigina tatehika tam tatehika tadigina tatehika tam tatehika tadigina taddi dandatta dhinda tam dandatta jennu taddi dandatta dhinda tam dandatta jennu taddi takadina tam taddi takadina tai taddi takadina talangu takadimi takadadigina tom dina kita dina kita dina kita dina kita dina kita dina kita tai dina kita taddi dandatta dhinda tam dandatta jennu taddi dandatta dhinda tam dandatta jennu taddi takadina tam taddi takadina tai taddi takadina taddi dandatta jennu tam dandatta jennu taddi dandatta jennu tam dandatta jennu taddi dandatta jennu tam dandatta jennu taddi takadina tam taddi takadina tai taddi takadina tam taddi takadina tam taddi takadina tai taddi takadina tam digi ta di kai da karu da ta ham da ka ni ta kinna dikku sa songa nangir kirkata dinga mutta kinna dikku sam songa ta ham da sam kirkata dikku sam tam kirkata dikku tonga hara sutta raja mukha vinayaka manimaya bhushita ganapati jaya jai hara sutta raja mukha vinayaka manimaya bhushita ganapati jaya jaya chekita nutta dikudhyam chinnam chekita dikudhyam chinnam tadikku todikku suranuka vandita kirkata devara ganapati kirkata ganapati kautvam prasanna vadana dhrugutam dhrugutim sakudikku takita kuntari de nam tam kirkata dikkutam dandatta jennu taddi dandatta jennu tam dandatta jennu taddi dandatta jennu tam dandatta jennu taddi dandatta jennu tam dandatta jennu taddi dandatta jennu taddi takadina tam taddi takadina tai taddi takadina tam.
After the traditional invocation, we moved into a meditative and graceful demonstration of various slokas. Through graceful movement, the dancers seek divine blessings, presented to you by Arna, Kaira, Isha, Anjali, and Sani.
मूषिकवाहन मोदकहस्त चामरकर्ण विलम्बित सूत्र वामन रूप महेश्वर पुत्र विघ्न विनायक पाद नमस्ते मूषिकवाहन मोदकहस्त चामरकर्ण विलम्बित सूत्र वामन रूप महेश्वर पुत्र विघ्न विनायक पाद नमस्ते विघ्न विनायक पाद नमस्ते
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
धिं तत्त झेंडुत तर्किड तत्त झेम त झेम धित्त झेम त धिं तत्त झेंडुत तर्किड तत्त झेम त झेम धित्त झेम त तोम त झेम धणम तरुम तोम त झेम धणम तरुम तकिट तक तक धिमित तक झेणु तकिट तक तक धिमित तक झेणु ದಿ ತ ಕಿಡತಕ ತರ್ಕಿಡ್ತೋಂ ದಿ ತ ಕಿಡತಕ ತರ್ಕಿಡ್ತೋಂ ತ ದಿಂಗಿಣ್ಣತ್ತಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತ ದಿಂಗಿಣ್ಣತ್ತಂ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ತ ದಿಂಗಿಣ್ಣತ್ತಂ
ಮೋದ ಮೂಲ ಕುಂಡಲ ಮಣಿ ರುಚುಲ ಮರಗ ಇದೆ ಬೆಡಲೆನು ವಿಘ್ನೇಶ್ವರುಡಿ ಕೊಡು ಮೋದ ಮೂಲ ಕುಂಡಲ ಮಣಿ ರುಚುಲ ಮರಗ ಇದೆ ಬೆಡಲೆನು ವಿಘ್ನೇಶ್ವರುಡಿ ಕೊಡು ಮೋದ ಮೂಲ ಕುಂಡಲ ಮಣಿ ರುಚುಲ ಮರಗ ಇದೆ ಬೆಡಲೆನು ವಿಘ್ನೇಶ್ವರುಡಿ ಕೊಡು ಮೋದ ಮೂಲ ಕುಂಡಲ ಮಣಿ ರುಚುಲ ಮರಗ ಇದೆ ಬೆಡಲೆನು ವಿಘ್ನೇಶ್ವರುಡಿ ಕೊಡು ಮೋದ ಮೂಲ ಕುಂಡಲ ಮಣಿ ರುಚುಲ ಮರಗ ಇದೆ ಬೆಡಲೆನು ವಿಘ್ನೇಶ್ವರುಡಿ ಕೊಡು ಮೋದ ಮೂಲ ಕುಂಡಲ ಮಣಿ ರುಚುಲ ಮರಗ ಇದೆ ಬೆಡಲೆನು ವಿಘ್ನೇಶ್ವರುಡಿ ಕೊಡು ಮೋದ ಮೂಲ ಕುಂಡಲ ಮಣಿ ರುಚುಲ ಮರಗ ಇದೆ ಬೆಡಲೆನು ವಿಘ್ನೇಶ್ವರುಡಿ ಕೊಡು ಮೋದ ಮೂಲ ಕುಂಡಲ ಮಣಿ ರುಚುಲ ಮರಗ
ತತ್ತಡಿಂಕು ತತ್ತಡಿಂಕು ತಕತ ತಕದಿಕ್ಕು ಕಿಡತಕ ತರ್ಕಿಡ್ತೋಂ ತತ್ತಡಿಂಕು ತತ್ತಡಿಂಕು ತಕತಿ ತಕದಿಕ್ಕು ಕಿಡತಕ ತರ್ಕಿಡ್ತೋಂ ತತ್ತಡಿಂಕು ತಕತ ಡಿಂಕು ತಕತ ಡಿಂಕು ತಕತೆ ಡಿಂಕು ತೈ ತತ್ತಡಿಂಕು ತಕತ ಡಿಂಕು ತಕತ ಡಿಂಕು ತಕತೆ ಡಿಂಕು ತೈ ತತ್ತಡಿಂಕು ತೋಂ ತಡಿಂಕು ತೋಂ ತಡಿಂಕು ತಡಿಂಕು ತೋಂ ಡಿಂಕು ತೋಂ ಕಿಡತಕ ತರ್ಕಿಡ್ತೋಂ ತಡಿಂಕು ತೋಂ ಡಿಂಕು ತೋಂ ಕಿಡತಕ ತರ್ಕಿಡ್ತೋಂ ತಡಿಂಕು ತೋಂ ಡಿಂಕು ತೋಂ ಕಿಡತಕ ತರ್ಕಿಡ್ತೋಂ
ಕರ್ಣ ತಾಳ ಮುಲುಕದುಲುಚು ಅಲ್ಲನ ಸ್ವರ್ಣ ವಿಭುಡು ಗಣಪತಿ ತಗವಚ್ಚೆನು ಕರ್ಣ ತಾಳ ಮುಲುಕದುಲುಚು ಅಲ್ಲನ ಸ್ವರ್ಣ ವಿಭುಡು ಗಣಪತಿ ತಗವಚ್ಚೆನು ಕರ್ಣ ತಾಳ ಮುಲುಕದುಲುಚು ಅಲ್ಲನ ಸ್ವರ್ಣ ವಿಭುಡು ಗಣಪತಿ ತಗವಚ್ಚೆನು ಕರ್ಣ ತಾಳ ಮುಲುಕದುಲುಚು ಅಲ್ಲನ ಸ್ವರ್ಣ ವಿಭುಡು
తకచం తరికిట తకజే జేకిట తకనం తరికిడదు దిత్తకనా తకచం తరికిట తకజే జేకిట తకనం తరికిడదు దిత్తకనా తకచం తరికిట తక తళంగు తకది కుతక తరిగినదు తళంగు తకది కుతక తరిగినదు తళంగు తకది కుతక తరిగినదు
అనలంబోదరమున హణులాడగా
తక్కిట కండత్త చెడ్త తెమ్మిత
అనలంబోదరమున హణులాడగా
తరిక్తం ధడత్త తం జడుత్త తం తెమ్మిత
అనలంబోదరమున హణులాడగా ఘనముతో వచ్చెను గజము గుడిపుడు ఘనలంబోదరమున హణులాడగా ఘనముతో వచ్చెను గజము గుడిపుడు మోదముతో ఘనముఖ్యులు కొలువగా మోదక హస్తుడు ముదముతో వెడలెను మోదముతో ఘనముఖ్యులు కొలువగా మోదక హస్తుడు ముదముతో వెడలెను మోదమున కుండలమణి రుచుల మరగ ఇది వెడలెను విఘ్నేశ్వరుడి పొడు మోదమున కుండలమణి రుచుల మరగ ఇది వెడలెను విఘ్నేశ్వరుడి పొడు మోదమున కుండలమణి రుచుల మరగ
ధీం ధీం తత ధణుత తకత ధిం ధిం తత ధిం తకత ధణ ధిం తత ధిం తక తంగిడ ధిం తధిం ధిం తధిం తకడ 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 ధణత ఛణు తధిం ధిం తతక ధిం తక తధణ ధిం తత ధిం తక తంగిడ ధిం తత ధిం తక తాం ధణత ఛణు తధిం ధిం తతక ధిం తక తధణ ధిం తత ధిం తక తధణ ధిం తధం ధిం తక తధిం ధిం తథణు ధిం తక తధణ ధిం తత ధిం తక తధణ ధిం తత ధిం తక తంగిడ ధిం
ತಾಂಡವ ನೃತ್ಯ ಕರಿ ಗಜಾನನ ತಾಂಡವ ನೃತ್ಯ ಕರಿ ಗಜಾನನ ತಾಂಡವ ನೃತ್ಯ ಕರಿ ಗಜಾನನ ತಾಂಡವ ನೃತ್ಯ ಕರಿ ಧಿಮಿಕಿಟ ಧಿಮಿಕಿಟ ತಾಳಮೃದಂಗ 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 ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ತಾಳಧರಿ ಗಜಾನನ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ತಾಳಧರಿ ಗಜಾನನ ತಾಂಡವ ನೃತ್ಯ ಕರಿ ಗಜಾನನ ತಾಂಡವ ನೃತ್ಯ ಕರಿ ಗಜಾನನ पार्वती तनया विघ्न विनायक 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 मूषिकवाहनुते नमो नमो मूषिकवाहनुते नमो नमो ताण्डव नृत्यकरी गजानन ताण्डव नृत्यकरी गजानन ताण्डव नृत्यकरी गजानन ताण्डव नृत्यकरी
तच्छिम तकचिम तकितचिम तच्छिम तकचिम तकितचिम तच्छिम तकचिम तकुंदरी किटक तच्छिम तकचिम तकुंदरी किटक तच्छिम तकचिम तकुंदरी किटक तादि किंडक तादि किंडक तादि किंडक तादि किंडक तादि किंडक तादि किंडक तत्तरकिटुम तत्तरकिटुम तत्तरकिटुम
पुष्पांजलि अखिलांडेश्वरी अम्बा परमेश्वरी सर्वाणि रुद्राणि भवानी पुष्पांजलि अखिलांडेश्वरी अम्बा परमेश्वरी सर्वाणि रुद्राणि भवानी पुष्पांजलि 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 अखिलांडेश्वरी पा मा ग मा रि ग सा रि ग म पुष्पांजलि अखिलांडेश्वरी पद प म ग रि ग ग प म ग रि सा ग रि सा नि ध प रि सा रि ग म पद प म ग रि ग ध प म ग रि सा ग रि सा नि ध प रि सा रि ग म पुष्पांजलि अखिलांडेश्वरी
ಪ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಗ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ಪ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಗ ಮ ದ ಮ ರಿ ಗ ಪ ಗ ಸ ರಿ ಮ ರಿ ನಿ ಸ ಸ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ಪ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಗ ಮ ದ ಮ ರಿ ಗ ಪ ಗ ಸ ರಿ ಮ ರಿ ನಿ ಸ ಸ ಪ ಪ ಪ ಮ ಮ ಮ ಗ ಗ ಗ ರಿ 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 ಪ ಪ ದ ಪ ಮ ಮ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ರಿ ಗ ರಿ ಶ್ಯಾಮಳೆ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿ ಸುಂದರೇಶ್ವರ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಶ್ಯಾಮಳೆ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿ ಸುಂದರೇಶ್ವರ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಶಂಕರಿ ಗುರು ಗುಹಸ ಮುದ್ಭವೆ ಶಿವೇವಂ ಶಂಕರಿ ಗುರು ಗುಹಸ ಮುದ್ಭವೆ ಶಿವೇವಂ ಪಾಮರ ಮೋಚನಿ ಪಂಕಜಲೋಚನಿ ಪದ್ಮಾಸನವಾಣಿ ಹರಿಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ವಿನುತೆ ಶಾಂಭವಿ ಶ್ಯಾಮಳೆ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿ ಶ್ಯಾಮಳೆ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿ ಸುಂದರೇಶ್ವರ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಶಂಕರಿ ಗುರು ಗುಹಸ ಮುದ್ಭವೆ ಶಿವೇವಂ ಶಂಕರಿ ಗುರು ಗುಹಸ ಮುದ್ಭವೆ ಶಿವೇವಂ ಪಾಮರ ಮೋಚನಿ ಪಂಕಜಲೋಚನಿ ಪದ್ಮಾಸನವಾಣಿ ಹರಿಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ವಿನುತೆ ಶಾಂಭವಿ ಶ್ಯಾಮಳೆ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿ ಶ್ಯಾಮಳೆ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿ ಶ್ಯಾಮಳೆ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿ
नमः शिवाय ते नमो भवाय नमः शिवाय ते नमो भवाय नमः शिवाय ते नमो भवाय हर हर 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 नमः शिवाय ते नमो भवाय हर हर
ಕಾಕು ಧಣ ಕುತಚೇ ಕುತರೇ ಕುತರಿ ಧಣ ಝಣು ತದಿಗಿಣ ತೋಂ ತರಿ ಧಣ ಝಣು ತದಿಗಿಣ ತೋಂ ತರಿ ಧಣ ಝಣು ತದಿಗಿಣ ತೋಂ
समानाधिक रहिताय शान्ताय स्वप्रकाशाय समानाधिक रहिताय शान्ताय स्वप्रकाशाय समानाधिक रहिताय शान्ताय स्वप्रकाशाय समानाधिक रहिताय मन्दहासवदनारविन्द सुन्दराय मन्दहासवदनारविन्द सुन्दराय मन्दहासवदनारविन्द सुन्दराय मन्दहासवदनारविन्द सुन्दराय योगी वृन्द नन्ददाय शत्रुभीकराय योगी वृन्द नन्ददाय शत्रुभीकराय ಎಂದು ಸೂರ್ಯಗ್ನೇತ್ರಾಯ ವಂದಿತ ಪ್ರಮದಗಣಾಯ ಎಂದು ಸೂರ್ಯಗ್ನೇತ್ರಾಯ ವಂದಿತ ಪ್ರಮದಗಣಾಯ ನಂದಿವಾಹನಾಯ ಪೋಷಿತ ವೃಂದಾನಂದದಾಯ ನಂದಿವಾಹನಾಯ ಪೋಷಿತ ವೃಂದಾನಂದದಾಯ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ ತೇ ನಮೋ ಭವಾಯ ಹರ ಹರ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ ತೇ ನಮೋ ಭವಾಯ
ఇంత పృద్దాయేనిక వాడేమి వచ్చునే 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 ఏ ఇంటిని గూడి ఉన్నాడో ఏ ఇంటిని గూడి ఉన్నాడో ఏ ఇంటిని గూడి ఉన్నాడో చింత్యూ పని లేదు వచ్చునే ఇంత వృద్ధాయేనిక వాడేమి వచ్చునే చేరినాతో నేస్తము చేసిన పాపమా చేరినాతో నేస్తము చేసిన పాపమా కీరవాణి రోయేల వేగించేవు నీవు చేరినాతో నేస్తము చేసిన పాపమా కీరవాణి రోయేల వేగించేవు నీవు నూరిన గంధకస్తూరి నూరిన గంధకస్తూరి పారదేశి పౌవళిల్చు నూరిన గంధకస్తూరి పారదేశి పౌవళిల్చు ఏ రమణి ఇంటనున్నాడో ಊರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಟು ಮಣಗೆ ಏ ರಮಣಿ ಇಂಟನುನ್ನಾಡೋ ಊರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಟು ಮಣಗೆ ಇಂತ ಪ್ರೊದ್ದಾಯೇನಿಕ ವಾಡೇಮಿ వచ్చునే ఇంత ప్రొద్దాయేనిక వాడేమి వచ్చునే పమ్మిన వేడుకతోను పడకిల్లు శృంగారించి 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 ఎమ్మే కాడు వచ్చునని ఎదురు చూచితి ఎమ్మే కాడు వచ్చునని ఎదురు చూచితి
కిణాం తద కిణాం త కిడతగతం కిణాం తద కిణాం త కిడతగతం తత్తతాదీనం తరికిడతగనం తరిచం తరికుం తరికిడ తత్తాదీనం తరికిడతగనం తరిచం తరికుం తరికిడతగ తక్కిట్ట 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 త కిడతగతం త కిడతగతం త కిడతగ తగడం తగ హుం తడం తతక్ హుం తగడం తగ హుం తడం తతక్ గది గది దిం దా డా గది దిం దా
తితాం తుం తై తై గణపతినాం సదా బొమ్మ బొమ్మత తయ్య తయ్య నక దిన్న భజంకరే ఉదని తనక దిమి తితాం తితాం తుం తై తై గణపతినాం సదా దిమ్మిక్కడ దగ దిక్కుతాన దిమ్మిక్కడ దగ దక్కడత ఓడుతాం దిమ్మిక్కడ దగ దిక్కుతాన దిమ్మిక్కడ దగ దక్కడత ఓడుతాం ఉదని తనక దిమ్మి తితాం తితాం తుం తై తై గణపతినాం సదా अवर वासवे करम बाजती अके नाम सदूर गणराजा अवर वासवे करम बाजती अके नाम सदूर गणराजा ताल मंदिर बहुत ताम सत्सुर मंडल की सुरभाजा ताल मंदिर बहुत ताम सत्सुर मंडल की सुरभाजा बोम्म बोम्मत तय्य तय्य नक दिन भजंकरे उदनि तनक दिमि तितां तितां तुं तै तै गणपतिनां सदा वेणुवासरे अमृत कुंडलिकी तारिकड़ वाल्कजा वेणुवासरे अमृत कुंडलिकी तारिकड़ वाल्कजा नारद तुम्बुरु वैन बजाके नारद गणमे वर्सर्ग नारद तुम्बुरु वैन बजाके नारद गणमे वर्सर्ग बोम्म बोम्मत तय्य तय्य नक दिन भजंकरे उदनि तनक दिमि तितां तितां तुं तै तै गणपतिनां सदा अवर वासवे करं बाजति द्रुमि मृदंगा अवर वासवे करं बाजति द्रुमि मृदंगा नवाब सारंगी सितार किनारे अवर वास गई मुगर सिंगा नवाब सारंगी सितार किनारे अवर वास गई मुगर सिंगा बोम्म बोम्मत तय्य तय्य नक दिन भजंकरे उदनि तनक दिमि तितां तितां तुं तै तै गणपतिनां सदा उदनि तनक दिमि तितां तितां तुं तै तै गणपतिनां सदा उदनि तनक दिमि तितां तितां तुं तै तै गणपतिनां सदा तै तै गणपतिनां सदा तै तै गणपतिनां सदा
అలరులు కురియగ ఆడెనదే అలరులు కురియగ ఆడెనదే అలకల కులుకుల అలమేల్ మంగ 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 అలరులు కురియగ
ಗಿಣತ ತದಿ ಗಿಣತ ತದಿ ಗಿಣತ ತರ್ಗಡ್ದೊಂ 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 ತ
ಅರವಿರಿ ಸೊಬಗುಲ ಅತಿವಲು ಮೇಚಗ ಅರತೆರ ಮರುಗುಣ ಆಡೆನದೆ ಅರವಿರಿ ಸೊಬಗುಲ ಅತಿವಲು ಮೇಚಗ ಅರತೆರ ಮರುಗುಣ ಆಡೆನದೆ ಅರವಿರಿ ಸೊಬಗುಲ ಅದಿವಲು ಮೇಚಗ ಅರತೆರ ಮರುಗುಣ ಆಡೆನದೆ ಪರುಸಗ ಪೂರ್ವ ದುವಾಳ ಪುತಿರುಪುಲ ಹರಿಕರಗಿಂಪುಚು ಅಲಮೇಲ್ ಮಂಗ ಪರುಸಗ ಪೂರ್ವ ದುವಾಳ ಪುತಿರುಪುಲ ಹರಿಕರಗಿಂಪುಚು ಅಲಮೇಲ್ ಮಂಗ ಅಲರುಳು ಕುರಿಯಗ ಆಡೆನದೆ ಅಲಕಲ ಕುಲು ಕುಲ ಅಲಮೇಲ್ ಮಂಗ ಅಲರುಳು ಕುರಿಯಗ ಆಡೆನದೆ
ತೋದಿಮಿ 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 ತಿ ತಕ ತಿಕ್ಕಿ ದಿಕ್ಕಿ ಕೆಳಗ ತೋದಿಮಿ 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 ತಿ ತಕ ತಿಕ್ಕಿ ದಿಕ್ಕಿ ಕೆಳಗ ದಿರುಳು ತಕ ತದಿರುಳು ತಕ ತತ ತಳಾಂಗ್ ತಕ ದಿರುಳು ತಕ ತದಿರುಳು ತಕ ತತ ತಳಾಂಗ್ ತಕ ದಿರುಳು ತಕ ತದಿರುಳು ತಕ ತತ ತಳಾಂಗ್ ತಕ ತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕಿ ಕೆಳಗ ಕೆಳಗ ತಕ ತದಿಗಿಳಿತೊಂ ತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕಿ ಕೆಳಗ ಕೆಳಗ ತಕ ತದಿಗಿಳಿತೊಂ ತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕಿ ಕೆಳಗ ಕೆಳಗ ತಕ ತದಿಗಿಳಿತೊಂ
ಮಟ್ಟಪು ಮಲಪುಲ ಮಟ್ಟೆಲ ಕೆಲ ಕೂಲ ತಟ್ಟೆಡಿ ನಡಪುಲ ತಟೆನದೆ ಮಟ್ಟಪು ಮಲಪುಲ ಮಟ್ಟೆಲ ಕೆಲ ಕೂಲ ತಟ್ಟೆಡಿ ನಡಪುಲ ತಟೆನದೆ ಮಟ್ಟಪು ಮಲಪುಲ ಮಟ್ಟೆಲ ಕೆಲ ಕೂಲ ತಟ್ಟೆಡಿ ನಡಪುಲ ತಟೆನದೆ పెట్టిన వజ్రపు పెండెపు తళుకులు అట్టిటు చిమ్ముచు అలమేల్ మంగ అలరులు కురియగ ఆడెనదే అలకల కులు కుల అలమేల్ మంగ అలరులు కురియగ ఆడెనదే
తాకు ధనకు చెంత ధనకు చెంత ధనకు చెంతర్గటోం తర్గటోం తాకు ధనకు చెంత ధనకు చెంత ధనకు చెంతర్గటోం తర్గటోం తాకు ధనకు చెణకు తద్దిత్త కిడతర్గటోం 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 తాకు ధనకు చెణకు తళంకుతోం కిడతర్గటోం
చిందుల పాటల సిరిపోలయాటల అందెల మోతల ఆడెనదే చిందుల పాటల సిరిపోలయాటల అందెల మోతల ఆడెనదే చిందుల పాటల సిరిపోలయాటల అందెల మోతల ఆడెనదే కందువ తిరువెంకటపతి మేచగా ఆ
బ్రహ్మమొక్కటే పరబ్రహ్మమొక్కటే బ్రహ్మమొక్కటే పరబ్రహ్మమొక్కటే తందనానాగి తందనానాపురే తందనానాగి తందనానాపురే తందనానా బళ తందనాన బళ తందనాన బ్రహ్మమొక్కటే పర బ్రహ్మమొక్కటే పర బ్రహ్మమొక్కటే పర బ్రహ్మమొక్కటే తందనానాగి తందనానాపురే తందనానా బళ తందనానా బళ తందనాన బళ తందనాన కందువకు హీనాదికములెంతూ లేవు అందరికి శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మ కందువకు హీనాదికములెంతూ లేవు అందరికి శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మ హరే అంతరాత్మ శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మ ఇందులో జంతు కులమేదనొకటే అందరికి శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మ ఇందులో జంతు కులమేదనొకటే అందరికి శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మ హరే అంతరాత్మ శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మ తందనానాగి తందనానాపురే తందనానా బళ తందనానా బళ తందనాన బళ తందనాన నిండార రాజు నిద్రింసు నిద్రైనొకటే అండనే బంటు నిద్రగదిగోనొకటే నిండార రాజు నిద్రింసు నిద్రైనొకటే అండనే బంటు నిద్రగదిగోనొకటే మెండైన బ్రాహ్మణుడు మెట్టు భూమి ఒకటే చండాళుడుండేటి సరి భూమి ఒకటే మెండైన బ్రాహ్మణుడు మెట్టు భూమి ఒకటే చండాళుడుండేటి సరి భూమి ఒకటే సరి భూమి ఒకటే ఈ సరి భూమి ఒకటే తందనానాగి తందనానాపురే తందనానా బళ తందనానా బళ తందనాన బళ తందనాన కడిగి గెనుకు మీద కాయు ఎండొకటే పుడమి సునగము మీద పొలెగు ఎండొకటే కడిగి గెనుకు మీద కాయు ఎండొకటే పుడమి సునగము మీద పొలెగు ఎండొకటే కడుపు నెలను పాప కర్ములను సరిగావ జడియు శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వరు నామము ఒకటే కడుపు నెలను పాప కర్ములను సరిగావ జడియు శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వరు నామము ఒకటే శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వరు నామము ఈశ్వరు నామము వెంకటేశ్వరు నామము శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వరు నామము ఒకటే తందనానాగి తందనానాపురే తందనానా బళ తందనానా బళ తందనానా బళ తందనాన బ్రహ్మమొక్కటే బర బ్రహ్మమొక్కటే బర బ్రహ్మమొక్కటే బర బ్రహ్మమొక్కటే తందనానాగి తందనానాపురే తందనానా బళ తందనానా బళ తందనాన 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 బళ తందనాన
కృష్ణం కలయ సఖి సుందరం బాలకృష్ణం 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 కలయ సఖి సుందరం கதய சகி சுந்தரம் பாலகிருஷ்ணம் கதய சகி சுந்தரம் பாலகிருஷ்ணம் கதய சகி சுந்தரம் பாலகிருஷ்ணம் கதய சகி சுந்தரம் பாலகிருஷ்ணம் கதய சகி சுந்தரம். சகி சுந்தரம் பாலகிருஷ்ணம் கதய 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 சகி
ததன ரச்சனு ததிமி தகிட்ட தப்பதிகி சனு ரதிகினதும் ததன ரச்சனு ததிமி தகிட்ட தப்பதிகி சனு ரதிகினதும் ததன ரச்சனு ததிமி தகிட்ட தப்பதிகி சனு கிடதகதர்கிடதும்
कृष्णं गतविषयकृष्णं जगत्प्रभकृष्णं गतविषयकृष्णं जगत्प्रभविष्णुं सुरारिगणजिष्णुं बालकृष्णं गतविषयकृष्णं जगत्प्रभविष्णुं सुरारिगणजिष्णुं बालकृष्णं गतविषयकृष्णं जगत्प्रभविष्णुं सुरारिगणजिष्णुं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं शृङ्गाररसवर संगीत साहित्य शृङ्गाररसवर संगीत साहित्य गङ्गानगरी केळ शृङ्गाररसवर संगीत साहित्य गङ्गानगरी केळ शृङ्गाररसवर संगीत साहित्य गङ्गानगरी केळ बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं राधा अरुणाधर सुतापं सच्चिदानन्द राधा अरुणाधर सुतापं सच्चिदानन्द रूपं जगत्रय रूपं सदा बालमाधा अरुणाधर सुतापं सच्चिदानन्द रूपं जगत्रय रूपं सदा सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं कृष्णं नृत्यन्तमिगमघोरत्यन्तमपरिमित नृत्यानुकूलमखिल सत्यं सदामरत्यन्तमिगमघोरत्यन्तमपरिमित नृत्यानुकूलमखिल सत्यं सदामरत्यन्तमिगमघोरत्यन्तमपरिमित नृत्यानुकूलमखिल सत्यं सदामरत्यन्तमिगमघोरत्यन्तमपरिमित नृत्यानुकूलमखिल सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बाल बालकृष्णं कदय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कदय सखी सुन्दरम् अर्थं शिथिलीकृतनाथं श्रीनारायण अर्थं शिथिलीकृतनाथं श्रीनारायण तीर्थं परमपुरुषार्थं सदा बालार्थं शिथिलीकृतनाथं श्रीनारायण तीर्थं परमपुरुषार्थं सदा बालार्थं शिथिलीकृतनाथं श्रीनारायण तीर्थं परमपुरुषार्थं सदा बालकृष्णं कदय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कदय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कदय सखी सुन्दरं सखी सुन्दरं सखी सुन्दरम्
Namaskaram and good afternoon to everyone, or good evening now. It gives me great joy to be present here today. Congratulations to Guru Srimati Smita Banda and the students of Anveshana Dance Academy on the inaugural dance recital. On a more personal level, to our dear friend Smita, we are immensely proud of you and your dedication to keep the art form alive by teaching the next generation. You are an inspiration to us all. Also, very, very happy birthday to you. To the students of Anveshana Dance Academy, I hope the artistic journey you embark on today turns into a long, fulfilling pursuit of this great art form. And I hope you will discover how inspiring and uplifting it can be. I conclude by sharing with you a few lines written by the great Telugu poet Sri Venela. I will narrate the lines or recite the lines in Telugu first and give a brief summary. Ni abhinaya ushodayam tilakinchina ravinayam gagana sarasi hrudayamlo vikasita setadala sobhala subarna kamalam. As the sun witnessed the dawn of your abhinaya, the skies turned into an audience and the dance filled its heart with the radiance of a golden lotus of 100 petals. To the budding dancers here, may your dance one day fill the skies with the same radiance. Thank you.
Namaskar. I was not prepared to make any remarks today, but I've just been amazed by this performance, and I know Smitha was very happy to find a location for tonight's recital, but I feel honored that you came to this school. I think the school is just very honored and lucky to be your first location for this recital, and I hope this continues, and I know it will. And happy birthday.
I don't think this evening would have been full. So much for not just giving us but helping us with setup and promoting culture. Thank you very, very much. Thank you, Mother, for everything. I know along the way I've troubled you with, I'm not trained in music, he is. So I call him and I'm like, "Ee talam correcte na, ee tune correcte na." So, and another fun fact, Nritya Deepika, the name of the program also came from him. So, okay, so I want to give Madhu and Mr. Dupont. Where did he go? Okay. I want to present a hand-painted artwork, a gift that reflects spirit and creativity and tradition that tonight is all about. That represents the anklets. And that's what you asked for several years ago. I finally got to it. Okay, so next we want to honor the dancers. They've done a lot. Some of them have been with me since the beginning, and some of them just joined October of last year. So all the adults here only joined October of last year. So from October to now, that's a huge, huge achievement. So big applause to everyone. Let's start with the youngest, Arna. So Arna, I met her first time at a library event, and honestly, it was love at first sight. The second she saw me, I was a stranger to her, but she came running, hugged me, and so, oh my God, it's been a pleasure to have you in class, and I love you. Take care of it. She shares my last name because she's my niece, and she was my first student. Honestly, though she was my first student, she only got interested in learning after Sanvi came. So Sanvi, technically I don't know who to call my first student, Sanvi or Anjali, but they're both great to work with. And if I have to give the best student award, for 100% attendance, for completing practice sheets that I started, which no one did except Sanvi. So big applause to her. Rain or shine, sick or well, she comes to class with full dedication. She's never fussing, she comes to class, does what she needs to do, so she's awesome. Okay, next. I'm going in the order they started the classes. So, Kyra. I keep messing their names. So Kyra came to me when she was 5. As you can tell, she's tall for her age and she's probably only 6. And I expect too much from her, forgetting she's only 5 or 6. So thank you, Kyra. You do great. You step up to the challenges. Isha. I want her to do more because she's capable of doing more. And when I give her a challenge, she steps up and she does it. So, good job, Isha. Navya is a treat to work with because she brings us treats. She's the baker in our group and muffins, and she basically spoils us. Thank you, Navya, for everything. Next is Dvika. Dhruvika her rhythm is excellent. She only joined, I think, September of last year. And how far she, Meghna, Navya and Vasita have gotten is amazing. It's all because of the dedication they have and the love for the art form, wanting to learn and learn and learn. So, great job. Then Vasita. Samshtuvam is the posture in dance. And Vasita has it. It's just natural to her. So every time I see her, I'm like, oh my God. And that's why she was Alamel Manga today. So it's again a treat to work with her. Meghna. Huh?
And she nailed it.
Oh, and she nailed it. Thank you. Okay, Meghna. What can I say about this one? Everybody else had the time to learn the fundamentals, the steps, the adavus, the alphabets of dance. This one, unfortunately, I threw her into fire. She did learn the steps, but because of the others, we're like, you know what? Let's figure it out. Go, do it, right? And she stepped up. She wouldn't give up, and she worked I don't know how many hours after class, but she shows up on time. She's one person, she's maybe a few minutes early, but never late. So, is that? Okay, so now I have my write-up. I have one special award. It's a surprise to pretty much everybody. I came up with an award and I called it Sadhana Shrestha Award, which means Supreme in Practice and Devotion. The recipient of this award is someone still very young, yet has shown remarkable discipline and perseverance, going far beyond what is expected of her age. She has attended every class, rain or shine, feeling well or unwell, full dedication and genuine eagerness to learn. The award honors not just her hard work, but also the passion, sincerity, heart she brings to every step of her journey. I'm incredibly proud of this one, and I'd like to present this award to, any guesses? Yes, Sally. She is definitely every student, every teacher's dream student. I'd like to take a moment to thank Sanvi's mother, Deepti, because the reality is behind every dancer, mothers are there, fathers are there, grandparents, friends, family, all the supporters. I remember dancing as a child and my entire family would be there. So your support, your encouragement is key to a dance success. So while I'm thanking Sanvi's mom, I also want to thank all the moms here. And I'm saying moms because you are the ones who are bringing your daughters to class and patiently waiting, trying very, very hard to get them to practice at home, which is not easy, and dealing with me also sometimes. Practice. So thank you, and thank you for trusting your child with me. I lost my script somewhere. It's an honor to teach them. I think we've created a little Kuchipudi family for ourselves. That's how I feel, and I hope that family continues to grow and the bond we created just grows stronger and stronger. Finally, my deepest gratitude to my Guru, Sri Bhagavatula Sethuram Garu, for planting that seed for this lifelong journey. My heartfelt thanks to two of my childhood dance friends, Veena Iyer and Vasanta Sandhya. They have supported me throughout this teaching journey of mine. I don't know if any of you noticed, I was more confident dancing than on the Nattuvanga. My students had to come and tell me what the bowl for the steps were. So I am learning in the process. The plate was the first time I danced today. So it's a never-ending process. So what I need to remember is it doesn't stop. As long as there's passion, you keep doing and you keep learning. Alright, one last thing. Well, I don't know where the script is, but I wanted to thank my husband and my son, or our son. I'm not just saying this for the sake of saying it, but without their support, I couldn't do this. And my neighbors, who deal with the noise, and Kyle calls it ting 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 ting. So thank you for dealing with me and helping me through everything. Especially Praveen, the room is clean because of him. He takes the time to make sure the dance room is super clean. And thank Arush for patiently waiting when my dance goes over 8 o'clock. That's his dinner time and he patiently waits and is like, okay, when am I getting my dinner? So thank you both of you. I couldn't do what I did without you. And coming from the bottom of my heart. Alright, I think that's enough. Thank you everyone for being here. Your support, your encouragement means a lot. Thank you.